Now we will learn how you can insert data in the table. So insert into followed by the name of the table. Now there are two ways at least to insert data in the table. One way is to list the fields, which is traditionally used if the values at hand are not in the same order as the fields that you have. So you can list the fields also on the same line or in a different line, followed by the word values. Now you start providing the values. The date value is entered in ISO format, which is 4-digit for the year, 2 for the month, and 2 for the date. And upon completing the syntax, parentheses are important. Remember, press enter, and it will say 1 row inserted successfully. If you want to bring back an already typed command, here you can see F9 is the retrieve function key, so pressing F the last typed command. After it brings the previously typed command, I can make some necessary changes here by simply removing the fields, because now I am entering the data in the same format that it is available to me in the table. Now there is one more thing. You can start overwriting, and it will overwrite it for you, and you can just simply start typing. And anything extra remaining, you can delete it. And whenever you are done entering the values that you want to enter into your table, simply press enter and it will tell you that the data was added to your table. Now to check to see if both records were successfully added to your table, you can now run a select command on the table, and upon pressing enter, it shows you that both records were entered successfully. Pressing the function key F12 will bring you back to your previous screen from where you first started.